Huh?
Chica.
How much?
You finish?
Finish?
Your chica finish?
No, not yet. No, it's okay.
So sit down.
Thank you. I'll be back.
No.
I'll be back. You look good.
I like you, baby.
I like you too. You're sexy. Big titties. Yeah.
No?
I'll be back.
Let's have it.
Hey, how much? How much? Huh?
You can come on today. I do good job of the service.
How much for you?
You can
80 for everything? Sucky.
okay.
Huh? Mami. Hola.
100, mi amor.
100 por todo.
¿No estás grabando?
No.
Seguro, no te creo.
How much? How much? 80? Oh, it's okay. No, it's okay. And 180 for what? 6?
Yeah.
Huh? $60?
Yeah, okay.
Sex? You sucky?
Yes, look.
I go to the ATM. Okay.
I am hair.
ATM there. Okay. Hola, mi amor. ¿Cuánto? ¿Ah? 100. ¿Por todo?
¿Ah?
¿Por todo?
No.
¿No?
Normal.
Normal. Ya, gracias. Hola, mami. Yo, why you doing that? Why you throwing shit, bro?
No. Thank you.
Oh, shit. Damn. Hola. ¿Cuánto?
60 la mamada, papi, 100 completo.
Sin completo. Está bien, gracias.
80 te puedo dar.
Está bien, gracias.
mucho sol.
Bro, it's like 5 in the morning, bro. Look at this shit. And they still out here, B. Look at this shit. A lot of bitches. ¿Cuánto?
100.
100.